Makakapanayan po natin ngayon si Commodore J. Tariela, Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, kaugnay sa usapin ng Kalayaan Island Group. Magandang umaga po.
Good morning, Sir Igan, at magandang umaga rin po sa inyong mga taga-panood ngayong umaga.
Bago rin sumama si Senador Rodante Marcoleta sa Maritime Domain Awareness Flight sa Kalayaan Island Group, mag-friendly debate daw muna.
Alam mo, Sir Igan, sinagot ko yan kahapon eh. Ang sabi ko, I won't be allowing him to debate about our territorial integrity kasi there's no reason for us to debate about it eh, di ba? Secondly, as a member of Senate, he took his oath. Why would he debate on our territorial integrity? Dun siya sa kabilang side, samantalang kami ni Justice Carpio, Attorney J. Batong Bakal, will be standing up for the Filipino people. I mean, I don't get it. You're part of the Senate and you're going to debate on something that would weaken and undermine our own position, right?
Sabi rin ni UP Professor J. Batong Bakal, inibitahan din kasama mo, kung itutuloy yung debate, pinapakita lang sa mundo na maging ating gobyerno na mga opisyales, hindi tiyak pala sa sovereignty ng Pilipinas.
Yes, precisely the point. Yan nga yung pinakakaiba dyan, Sir Igan. No? And this is not just an ordinary member of the Philippine government. He's actually part of the Senate of the Republic of the Philippines.
At nadagdagan pa ang BFF mo, si Senador Alan Peter Cayetano naman, ikaw na ang tinuturo na dahilan ng mga pagtatalong ito dahil sa karikature na ginawa mo kay Chinese President Xi Jinping, Commodore Tariela.
Alam mo, Sir Igan, hindi ko alam kung anong pinaghuhugutan ni Senator Cayetano eh. Ang lutong pa naman ng pangalan ko every time na binabanggit niya kagabi. Pero just the same, I would still accord him the respect of being a senator of the Republic. Si Senator Cayetano, hindi ko ma-gets kung anong galit niya dun sa caricature. Pero when was the last time he expressed such passionate statement against the People's Republic of China or even issued condemnation ng office of the senator ni Cayetano? At the same time, when he was the Secretary of Foreign Affairs, and he talked about decorum, and he talked about not mocking any national leader, what did he say during the time President Duterte? When he mocked President Obama, he said a lot of bad things against the Pope himself. So hindi ko alam kung anong standard ni Senator Cayetano with regard to China, ano ang standard niya nung siya ang SFA na minumura ng dating presidente natin ng ibang tao.
Pero Commodore Tariela, yung caricature mo, batay nga sa pahayag ni Senator Cayetano, personally wala kang nakikitang mali doon sa iyong nagawa.
Well, Sir Igan, una sa lahat, that is not an official statement that I did to explain incidents that are happening. That is actually a lecture to university students na ginagawa dito sa sarili nating bansa. There are no international audience there. And that is something na i-discuss ko lang for academic discussion sa isang university.
Oo. Okay, may resolution sa Senado na ngayon na pinag-uusapan. Reaction po.
I'm sorry, Sir Igan.
May resolution sa Senado na kumukundina nga sa naging pahayag ng Chinese Embassy, no? Laban sa ilang opisyal, kasama ka na dito sa Pilipinas. Reaction lang at meron sila ipapasang ganung resolution.
Alam mo, para sa akin, Sir Igan, no? I really appreciate Senator Kiko Pangilinan, Senator Risa Ontiveros, the Senate President Tito Soto, and Senator Ping Lacson, and others who supported this from the very beginning. No? Para sa akin, it showed that there are majority of the members of Senate who are willing to stand up for our rights in the West Philippine Sea, who are willing to condemn all those statements na ginawa ng Chinese Embassy. And para sa akin, itong indication na to really showed na meron pa ring integridad ng Senado, and those very few people who are seemingly standing up for China, undermining our own position, does not represent the official stand of the Senate as an institution.
Pahabol ko lang, may hiling pala magbitiw ka raw sa pwesto, sabi ni Senador Cayetano, para ma-resolve na ang di pagkakaunawaan ng dalawang bansa.
Alam mo, ang linyahan na yan ang linya ng Chinese Embassy. Gigil na silang, siguro pagod na sila sa mukha ko. Tsaka, gusto ko rin sabihin kay Senator Cayetano, no? Ang sabi niya kasi dun sa plenary debate, ubarin ko daw uniforme ko para daw inform. Pwede rin naman. Ubarin ko uniforme ko, mag-debate kayo, mag-usap kami ng mga bagay, pero dapat no holds bar. Napaka-unfair lang kasi Sir Igan eh. I accord them the respect, and then sa Senado kapag binabanggit ang pangalan ko, walang ranggo, ang lutong ng Tariela. But whenever I give these interviews, I always call them Senator Marcoleta, Senator Cayetano, 'di ba? And ang sabi niya pa, hubarin ko yung uniforme ko, mag-blagam na lang daw ako. I mean, I've been doing this job for more than 3 years already. I don't think na meron akong masamang ginawa para sa interes ng bayan, para bastusin at babuin ni Senator Cayetano ang pagkatao ko.
Maraming salamat, Commodore J. Tariela, Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea. Ingat po.
Maraming salamat, Sir Igan.
Igan, mauna ka sa mga balita, mag-subscribe na sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang ulat sa ating bansa.